Hey guys, this is Miss Jacobson. We are still talking about main idea and supporting details. So remember, when we're talking about main idea and supporting details, the main idea is the big idea about the topic that the author wants to explain or to prove, but it can only hold up with enough support. The main idea is something like being a garbage collector is not an easy job. That would be a main idea. The topic is garbage collectors. What the author is saying about garbage collectors is that they don't have an easy job. Then we need at least 3 specific details that prove that idea, that hold it up, that support it. If you have less than 3 details, that's like having a stool with only 2 legs. If you have no details, you don't even have a stool. There's nothing to hold up your main idea. Again, when you're finding the main idea, you need to ask yourself, why did the author write this passage? What is the passage mostly about? When you think you know what the main idea is, ask yourself, do all the sentences in the passage support this idea? And if the answer is yes, you have found the main idea. So let's practice. Think about any fireworks display you've ever seen. Pretty cool, right? Well, those shows are nothing compared to nature's light show. The Northern Lights, also called the Aurora Borealis, can be seen almost any day of the year somewhere in the world. Auroras are a combination of wind from the sun and Earth's magnet-like atmosphere. When they come together, the result is a beautiful light show. Auroras can only be seen by human eyes at night. Places near the North Pole are the best to view the Aurora Borealis. Eastern Canada and Alaska are good areas near the pole. So what is the topic? The Aurora Borealis, also called the Northern Lights, is the topic. Remember, that's too general to be a main idea. What is the author saying about the Aurora Borealis? Well, these shows are nothing compared to nature's light show. So the Aurora Borealis is an interesting show to watch, or the Aurora Borealis is something beautiful that we should watch. Okay, here's another passage. Chickens can be useful as pets as they provide eggs that can be eaten. However, chickens must be taken care of carefully. If you have a chicken, you must make sure that they have plenty of food and water. Also, their chicken coop must be cleaned regularly and their eggs collected. Eating potato skins or chocolate can be fatal for chickens, so make sure your chickens avoid these 2 foods. So what's our main idea? Is our main idea make sure chickens don't eat chocolate or raw potato skins? Chickens must be taken care of if you keep one as a pet. Chickens need plenty of food and water, or chicken eggs must be collected. The main idea is chickens must be taken care of if you want one as a pet. That means these other 3 sentences are our specific supporting details that prove the ways that chickens have to be taken care of if you have them as a pet. So here are your instructions for today. Take the main idea and details quiz in Canvas. Make sure to pay attention to which passage the question is asking about.